Why, hello there, art nerds. I didn't quite see you. So today we're reviewing another mechanical pencil. This one is from Japan. It's the Kokuyo Enpitsu Sharp Type S. And this is a mainly plastic pencil, but there are some metal accents on it. This is 0.7 millimeter, and I probably purchased that at Maido in San Francisco a few years ago, and I paid $5.95 for it, but you guys can find it for a whopping $7.56 all the way to $11 on Amazon. It's available in a range of sizes from 0.7 all the way up to 1.3 millimeters. So if you're heavy-handed or maybe you're doing carpentry work, the Enpitsu might be the right pencil for you. So this pencil, like I said, is mostly plastic, which does make it lighter weight, but it does have a metal collar and it has a really nice rubberized grip. The body is also metallic in tone in what I like to call Nattosoup green. This is a distinctive apple green that is sure to stand out on your desk or on the floor when you drop it. The advancement on the eraser is pretty tight. This might be the one that doesn't just like nyoom back into the pencil when you're trying to erase. The protective lead sleeve also retracts into the pencil, which protects it from stabbing you and protects it from breaking off in your pocket. It is heavy and seems well built, despite the body being plastic. Now, I have reviewed a lot of mechanical pencils here on the channel, and I do have to say I'm a bit biased. The Japanese ones do tend to do a little bit better than many of their American counterparts. I'd like to say I'm not just, totally enamored with stationery from Japan. That might be a lie, but in general, I do feel that Japanese stationery is better built and better designed than their American counterparts. So we are doing 2 tests today. We've already started the writing test, and this one is a smooth writer. It is very nice to write with. It's a good weight. It feels good in the hand. The hexagonal grip gives my hand good places to rest, which, surprisingly, with many pencils, that is not the case. And when erasing, the eraser does not retract itself. OMG! Ah! So I liked it so much that I had Joseph write something with it as a guest judge. He's writing right now. And I didn't feed him any info before. Nothing. I didn't say anything. I just called him into the room, asked him to write. And this is what he said. The pencil feels fine, more comfortable than many of the plastic mechanical pencils I've used. So there you have it. Even Joseph is, well, I'm more impressed than he is, but I have handled so many bad pencils. All right, so now we're on to part 2, the drawing test. And I am front feeding some colored lead. It would be Pilot Color lead in pink so you guys can see it because the camera seems to like pink. And I was able to front feed it very easily. So it's not cushy, but it's a comfortable writer and I really like it. And honestly, I'm kind of surprised I like this pencil so much. This pencil is decent to sketch with. There was no lead snappage, which those of you who've watched my artist reviews mechanical pencils know I tend to get a lot of wastage with these. So it's nice when a pencil doesn't snap the lead. There's a good weight on the pencil and it helps to maintain rhythm and momentum while you're actually drawing. And it's a bit more cush a bit more cush in the grip would make this thing amazing. So in general, I really like the build on this pencil. My only complaint is I want that soft, cushy grip. Kokuyo does make several different types of mechanical pencils, though. You may have already seen some of my reviews for them here on the channel, but I am currently looking at the Type M, and that one looks like it's got a more serrated grip and a rounded body. Also slightly different colorway, looks a little bit more like a drafting pencil. The regular Enpitsu is, it looks like it is just solid matte body without the rotating eraser, but I'm eyeballing the fit curve right now, and that looks like it might have the cushy grip I'm really looking for. There's also a metal grip with the MX metal grip, so it would be the Kokuyo Enpitsu Sharp Type MX would be the metal grip. And that one looks like it's designed to actually be a drafting pencil. So it looks like Kokuyo has a lot of cool mechanical pencil options. So if this one isn't really your thing, they probably got one that is. And now that I'm looking at all of these, it's like, oh, I've got so many more pencils to add to the cart. So on that note, if you guys enjoy my reviews, if you find them helpful, useful, and informative, there's 3 ways you guys can help me out. 1, you can join me over on Patreon at patreon.com/Nattosoup. The funds raised on Patreon are used to help fund review videos just like this one. So if you like reviews, that's one of the best ways to help support the creation of them. Another way to help support me making more reviews is to use a little positive word of mouth. Tell other people about my channel, tell other people about my reviews, and if you know someone who's on the market for a comfortable mechanical pencil, whether they are a student or an adult, whether they're writing or drawing, send my reviews their way. And third, if you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscription button, click that bell notification, and comment on my videos. So now we're moving on to the second part of this review. So I am removing the pink lead, refilling the feed with the regular leads that came in it. Very sturdily built, I have to say. This pencil actually ended up in my daily drawing pencil rotation. So I'll check back in with you guys because it might be like the that triangular pentel where initially, the Wow. Initially, I didn't like it, and then I fell in love with it, and I love it for pink lead sketches. So if I have any further thoughts about this pencil, it's now in my daily rotation, and I'll let you guys know. But this thing is okay to draw with. It might be a little difficult to control, but it's way better than a lot of the cheap pencils I've been reviewing. Now, it is not as cheap as some of the mechanical pencils that I've reviewed here. If you're getting it from Amazon, it's actually pretty expensive, so I would recommend that you shop around. Unfortunately, I personally do not have a Japanese stationery source that I'm going to recommend. I will say I'm not a fan of jet pens, but if you guys know of another Japanese stationery supplier that ships out mechanical pencils and other comic artist goods, let me know down in the comments below. I'm definitely looking for a new source for my fix. I've ordered from Deleter before. I'm always browsing on DickBlick, but it can be hard to discover new things from Japan, especially since jet pens kind of burn me. So if you know of a shop that does just this, please let me know, fill me in, give me the scoop. I am so sorry, by the way, that my camera is having a hard time focusing. It wants to focus on the eraser of this pencil. It just really wants you guys to see that eraser, I guess. So literally, as we're speaking, because I like this pencil so much, I am loading up my Amazon cart with more mechanical pencils. I just can't help myself. I'm just always on the lookout for comfortable to write with, comfortable to draw with, comfortable to sketch with mechanical pencils. If you guys did not know, I have early onset arthritis in my dominant hand because I used metal drafting pencils for years and kind of negatively affected the bones in my hand. So I'm always on the lookout for comfortable, lightweight pencils that invite long sketching periods without totally wrecking my hand. I also teach art, and many of the students I teach have grip issues or may have attention span issues and really benefit from being able to use mechanical pencils because you're not constantly breaking concentration to get up and go sharpen it. So those are some of the driving forces behind these mechanical pencil reviews. If you guys know of an unsung dark horse, an amazing mechanical pencil that I haven't taken a look at, please let me know and I'll try to get a hold of it and let you guys know what I think. A little pricey and a little hard to come by, the Kokuyo Enpitsu Sharp Type S is a great pencil for drawing and sketching. I just wish it was more commonly available. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, as well if you've got a secret stationery source I ought to know about, and if you guys have a favorite mechanical pencil that I may have missed. I had so much fun doing this review. I hope you guys will check out some of my other stationery and mechanical pencil reviews here on the channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys later. Bye, guys.